Hey, I'm Mark, and this is Mike and his daughter. He brought me some white oak today from his house. We're going to mill up, as well as some hickory trees I got around here. Well, let's get it unloaded. We're going to see what a white oak looks like cut up, what she looks like on the inside. Yeah. So you want to go 1.5 inches right now? Close to 1.5 inches. You ready? Yep.
I'd take it down 2 inches, and that's going to put us into making some boards.
2 inches? All
yeah.
right. 1 inch. All right. I added a 16 for the thickness of the cut.
That's a great use.
Well, that's a chunk right there.
Yeah, that's a good looking board, though. I mean,
That new bimetal blade.
you would normally, Mark, take this, cut it up, and give it to somebody for firewood, or
Yeah.
you know.
I priced that
What?
red oak board at Lowe's, and it wasn't that. It's half that thickness,
Yeah.
and it was 8 foot long. It was $49. One board. Yeah, I can't afford to build anything. much lumber you get out of it too.
It's unbelievable.
And that's several $100s worth of white oak. That would have been just firewood, like you
Yeah,
said.
yeah.
And what's really cool is when you turn it into a piece of furniture that you're gonna have for 100 years.
Move, Sugar. Move.
Well, you see, he got a ton of lumber just out of those 2 logs. I was really surprised at how much he did get. Some pretty wood.
Got some good 1x.
Yeah, it's crazy how much
1.5.
a quart of gasoline can do. You can imagine the old days when they having to do all this by hand. Well,
All that out of 2 little logs.
I know it. Unbelievable. He's going to make some barn doors out of it. Well, we appreciate y'all watching. We'll see y'all on the next video.
Thanks, Mark.